Here we are again. Guess what? I got so many good comments and responses from this week's activities. You know what? Let's do 2 more sets of giveaways here. So the way it's going to work is this. If you subscribe, you're going to get an entry. If you comment, you're going to get an entry. Here's what we're giving away so far. I'm going to do it on July 4th. We'll do a drawing video. So far, we're going to give away 2 Cars and Donuts sets, 1 Matchbox Sweet Ride sets. I'm going to give the remainder of the first case of Sweet Rides that we opened to somebody. Guess what? We're going to do 2 Redliner sets. So today, we're going to open a Redliner case. This is one of the best, coolest, early car culture sets there was. This was G case. I believe this was all the way back in 2016. Okay, kind of a squarish case like I was showing you the other day. The Cars and Donuts was in a more elongated case. I just find that kind of stuff interesting, how it changes along the way. So let's get into it. We're going to open Redliners today. This had the Gasser in it, the orange Gasser that was on fire. It still is. 10 cars in a box. This one had 2 complete sets per case. Okay, first car in the box was the 1970 Dodge Charger RT. See the name on the card there. Super cool Mopar. The next car, there was 2 of this per case because there's 2 sets per case. The 68 Copo Camaro. Super popular casting. Super popular model. Classic right there. Here's the car that I could never find on a peg anywhere. It's the Gasser. The Chevy Bel Air Gasser, which is by far one of the best castings that they've ever done. And rightly so, it's insanely cool. The next car is a 69 Corvette Racer. And again, you know, the card backs on car culture, always insanely cool, thanks to Julian. The last car in this was the 68 Mercury Cougar. Has some cool decals on there. So that's the case opening of Redliners. So here's what I'm going to do is, on July 4th, if you've commented on this video, you could win the set on the left or the set on the right. I'll send it to you. But subscribe to us, comment. I have a feeling I'm going to do a few more of these weekend to, you know, have some fun. Thanks, guys.